Today we'll be making and MIG welding some patch panels in with a Miller 90 110 volt MIG welder. We'll be using 18 gauge, which is a little bit thicker and harder to cut than regular 20 or 22 gauge that's used for panels. First we'll make a cardboard pattern, trace it, cut the patch, grind the weld areas clean, then weld them in using both butt and lap joints depending on the situation. We cut this rectangle out with a Chicago Electric shears, and now we'll get the rest with the tin snips, and this one's made by Vise. Like I said, it is a bit tougher to cut. But the tin snips will get through it. Once you get the patches to fit nicely, you can cut out this old rust, grind the edges clean, and weld it in. If you're interested, these are the welder settings, and we have the gas set to 20 CFH. And that's good enough. We're going to clean up the area and seam seal it with AC Delco medium body seam sealing compound. And this is just some mineral spirits. We'll let this dry overnight, come back, DA sand it, prime it, and paint it. I hope you enjoyed this video on cutting and welding patch panels for a floorboard or an inner rocker panel. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.